Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
Hey everyone, I'm Unathi. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a study day, productive study day in my life. I just put study because I'm going to study today, hopefully, but I have a lot to do. It's also kind of getting my life back together, and yeah, if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I've been in South Africa. Like, I came back just this week. So yeah, life has been low-key hectic, and my room is showing that. It's actually embarrassing. So yeah, I have a to-do list. I don't know where my phone is. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this room, which you guys could tell it's literally a mess. Embarrassing. Clean my room, I shower, and then I'll just get ready just to pamper myself and just to feel good. And then I will study, which, yes, I will study, and then after doing that I will take a little break and then study again, just basically study but with breaks in between. And then I'll plan out my month because yeah, it's November 5th, which I'm a bit late, but yeah, I'll plan out my month, and then just like the weeks to come, and then I'll edit. So yeah, it's currently 1:32, so you know, low-key, I've wasted half the day, but it's okay because, you know, we can bring it back. And yeah, it's really embarrassing, and you know, I understand if you are disgusted right now. Cue the montage, I guess. Cue the montage.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body, my body says.
All I is, hit it. Promise, swear. Yo. Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fucking mask on, mask on, fucking mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. 2 cups, toast out with the gang, from food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottom, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising. $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. I'm a pink model, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, yeah. Top of God, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big Percocet. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame.
Okay, so I finally cleaned my room. I'm done. It's 3:41, so I've taken like 3 hours. Yes. But I'm finally done, and now I'm gonna go to the bathroom to clean it.
Too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Like, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him.
Now all showered and I feel so fresh, and I've moisturized my face and my skincare, and I'm in my Unathi purr. And what my vine just fell off, which was really annoying, but I can't be bothered to put it up. So what I'm gonna do now is I think I want to eat first, like just have a little snack, because I'm so hungry. Like, it's actually, I don't know why people are doing fireworks right now. Like, it's not the time. Okay, so yeah, and after eating I'm probably gonna study, so I'll probably see you guys when I'm now actually studying. Okay, so I've made coffee because I literally need the energy, but I have to do it, so you know I have no choice. So I'm just gonna like write down some notes, and yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do, because like I can't bother to do like anything extreme, because like my brain is like brain fogged. I don't know. Yeah, I just don't really feel like doing anything like too deep. Like I've got BBC Bite Size, which is literally my own personal teacher, because all these teachers don't, okay, no, because all these teachers make me not understand stuff. So yeah, yeah, I'm gonna write down the notes, and yeah, I'm gonna try to make them aesthetic. I feel like making them aesthetic. My notes aren't always aesthetic, by the way. I just want to put effort in for the video, but most of my notes are like bland, maybe highlighted a little bit, but like not to this extent that I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, yeah, this is the vibe that we're going for right now.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. Jumping peas. Drop the data, now we plotting. Exotic peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. I'm pushing P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Push P. P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keepin' P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Yeah. Push P. I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Yeah. Pop a P, I'm paranoid. I can't sleep, my pockets deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. Pushing P. I'm pushing P. Yeah.
Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche.
Push P.
3 P's, popcorn, Porsche.
Push P.
I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red band, and a card. I'm a P, you ain't your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops and we finally touched. I never be ready to get in the streets with me, no question. To reach the text, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, nigga try to sort it.
I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. P. Push P. da da da.